Go ahead, guys.
OMG,
Who's this from?
Grandpa Bruce. Let's open it.
Don't smash it. You don't know what's in there, if it's delicate or not.
Oh yeah, we're so strong. Hey, it's a giant crane. It's just like the Axel one.
Oh my gosh. What is that?
A crane.
Oh my gosh. Is that the one you wanted?
Yes.
Oh my
Oh, the
goodness.
door slides back. Oh, the door slides
Who
back.
sent that to you?
Grandpa Boots.
That's
And
right.
And this goes out. Uncle.
What do you say to Grandpa Bruce?
Thank you, Grandpa Bruce.
Can you look at the camera and say that, please?
Thank you, Grandpa Bruce.
Oh my goodness. Happy birthday, buddy.
Thank you.